Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the East-West Celeste Convertible Hobo in outline signature. As you could see here, it does come with the silver color hardware, and it's really nice about this bag is it's really durable. It does come with the silver color Coach logo on the front. Comes with a ladder hand tag on the side, and this is the side. Let's look at the bag. The other side, and here's the bottom of the bag. It does come with this strap here, for crossbody wear, which you could just strap here, or you could just hold on to this handle. Let's take a look on the inside, shall we? On the inside here, I believe we have a lot of there you go. On the inside here, I'm not sure if you could see this. It's a big compartment with the two slip pockets. There, 1, 2, and the zipper pocket on one side. I would say this is a really nice size bag. You can technically put 1, 2, 3, about 4 bottles of water bottle here. And let's push it back a little bit. The dimension of this bag is about 14¼ inches in length. It's about 8¼ inches in height, and about 5 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.